Don't ask me what I do, it's confidential employment. Just know I'm not a confidential informant. Nah, you can tell my potential enormous. And when it comes to combat, especially flawless. Now, a vigilante, I must enforce this. They took it off the shelf like the night Air Forces. Losses I never take. Dead you kids abortionists. I got something for you if you think you extorting this. Up in the meth lab, presumably snorting Chris. Cremate your team's ashes, hair is more to sniff. Heavy machinery like the fork, there's more to lift. Take you on a ride, then drop you in some sort of ditch.